in case you want to operate in another state from the one that's your resident state. You may do that. When you form an LLC in your state where you're doing business, it's a domestic LLC. When you go to another state to form an LLC, it's a foreign LLC. Not an alien LLC from like Canada. So there's domestic, there's foreign, and there's alien. You're not likely to form an alien one, but you might want to form one in another state if you're buying properties there, because you need to be operating in that state. Now, if you don't reside in the state of residence of this foreign LLC, you're going to need to have someone to accept process of service. You're going to have someone who will be appointed to do that for you. Now, this is easy to do. For instance, mycorporation.com offers that as a service. They'll organize it for you, and they'll be the resident agent in that jurisdiction to accept what's called process of service. So if someone wants to sue you, which the Secretary of State requires, is you have to have someone in that state to receive the service. The resident agent is easy. People like my corporation can do it all day long, and there are others. So I hope that helps you. So now you can be organized. Take care.